me see. Who? Oh, that's Jern. You like Jern? All right, so here's the deal. We got to get up at 1:30. Are you paying attention to me? Tucker, I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. So here's the deal. We're going to wake up at 1:30 a.m. and get in the car and drive to Wisconsin to stay in the coolest log cabin you can imagine. Isn't that exciting? All right, so we got to start packing. So the real question is, what do you want to pack in your bag? Okay. What else? That's all you're gonna pack? Is chicken? Well, you need more than chimkin. What about a jacket or some shoes? Oh, okay, goodness. All right, well, let's start packing. Come on, we got a lot of work to do. Let's go. Come on.